Your Samsung phone might update by itself, without asking, and sometimes at the worst time. Most users don't even know they can turn off forced auto updates, but with 2 quick changes, you can take full control over updates again. Let's disable them right now. Method 1. First, open up the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Then scroll all the way down. After that, tap Developer Options. If your Developer Options is missing, then tap on About Phone. Scroll down again. Now tap Software Information. Next, tap on Build number 7 times. Tap OK. Here your developer mode is enabled. Now go back to the settings page. Now look at the bottom. Under the About Phone, you will see the developer options. Tap on it, scroll down, find the auto update system. Now make sure to toggle it off. Method 2. Go to the settings app again. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Software Update. Now tap Auto Download. Select Never. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.